Hey everyone, how y'all doing? It is 3 o'clock Sunday, July 28th, and it is time to do the giveaway, my 200 subscriber giveaway. So just a reminder, what we got, a couple of channel stickers, the Doohickeys S-Beaner with a micro lock, the Night Eyes Doohickey key tool, the Victorinox Swiss Army knife, the classic SD, the Gerber EAB light, and Marauders map Hank from Gondek EDC. And let's get down to business here. I am filming on my GoPro, so it'd be a little easier to use. So let's refresh. Make sure we get all any last minute commenters. And stop that. Get the link. Copy it. Link copy to the clipboard. Go to the YouTube random comment picker. Paste the link in. I got filtered duplicate users, so we'll get the YouTube comments. And there's 14 unique commenters. So you got 1 in 14 chance. And come over here. Make sure you can see it. And let's pick a winner. Beaver Baron. Boy, won another one. I've seen Beaver Baron win a few YouTube giveaways, and he just won this one. So, okay, Beaver Baron. I'm going to leave my email down in the description. Email me with your information, your mailing address, and all that, and I'll send this stuff out to you. So, congratulations, Beaver Baron. You won another giveaway. But I hope you like it, and thanks everyone that commented and subscribed. And I guess until next time, bye.